Three craws ower Tarvit Brae, Craigrothie come, Kirkcaldy, Whit, puir, Sowl, fricht the day, bring Balmullo and awe. Kintillo, Balmerino, Whaur's Bogdollo, Dunino, Carnbo, Largo, Aberlemno, Stobo, Thurso and awe. By the cairn an old cage stands, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, Owerlooking the people's lands, bring Balmullo and and with a cage, unco weird, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, nae bars, nae door, nae waas, just fear, bring Balmullo and Kintillo, Balmerino, Whaur's Bogdollo, Dunino, Carnbo, Largo, Aberlemno, Stobo, Thurso and in the cage a cowerin beast, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, nae muzzle, shackle, chain or leash, bring Balmullo and the Rampant sign, proud and tall, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, among the worms new see it crawl, bring Balmullo and Kintillo, Balmerino, Whaur's Bogdollo, Dunino, Carnbo, Largo, Aberlemno, Stobo, Thurso and hear it squeak, gone the roars, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, nae voice to quell the nightmare hours, bring Balmullo and what gars it say, knells, nae blades, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, just empty croaks and fleeting shades, bring Balmullo and Kintillo, Balmerino, Whaur's Bogdollo, Dunino, Carnbo, Largo, Aberlemno, Stobo, Thurso and Souls crushed for doubts and fears to ripe, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, the craws to their dark mistress clipe, bring Balmullo and purrs the puss upon the throne, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, gie on scrunt smith's dry wish bone, bring Balmullo and Kintillo, Balmerino, Whaur's Bogdollo, Dunino, Carnbo, Largo, Aberlemno, Stobo, Thurso and Three craws ower Tarvit Brae, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, what we minds hae we slaved the day, bring Balmullo and yet deep in ash an ember gleams, Craigrothie, come Kirkcaldy, a skelf o' hope wi' splintered dreams, bring Balmullo and Kintillo, Balmerino, Whaur's Bogdollo, Dunino, Carnbo, Largo, Aberlemno, Stobo, Thurso and